What's up, everybody? My name is Anthony Berry, aka Berry Groove, and this is Dance with VS, Versastyle's online street dance tutorial, and today we're going to be learning the Bart Simpson. Let's get started. Awesome, so let's learn the Bart Simpson. You might be saying, that name sounds kind of familiar to me. It's because it's named after the famous cartoon from The Simpsons, specifically one character, the younger son, and it's based off of when he's riding his skateboard, yeah? So when you see him, he has this kind of picture, right? So from there, they created this dance. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start off with our legs. We're gonna slide to our right, and then we're gonna slide to our left. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, let's not forget about our groove, the bounce. So while we're doing our slide back and forth, we're also incorporating that bounce. So let's try that one more time, adding that bounce. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool. Now, let's not forget about our arms. So, if we're going to our right, our arms are going to be facing the opposite direction and we're going to be looking towards our right? And the same thing goes for when we look to our left. Yeah? So, let's try to put those two together. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, if you notice, when I come and my feet come together, my arms go up, yeah? That's kind of like our little period. 1, da, 1, da, 1, da, 1, da. Yeah? So let's try it one more time facing the front, and then we're going to chase it to the back. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, let's face the back. Starting to our right. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's do it one more time towards the front. Ready? And don't forget to bend our knees because that bounce is super important. Because if not, we're going to look really stiff, and that's not who we want. We really want that bounce and showing that level. Making sure it's nice and big, yeah? Let's try it together. 5, 6, 7 to the right, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. So this is a social party dance. This is just the base. You can add your own swag to it. You can add doubles. You can stay here, yeah? You can add the roll at the end. Da, 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 da. Different variations. But for now, let's try the bass with some music. Dope, dope, dope. Thank you for rocking with me today. We learned the Bart Simpson, our social party dance for the day. And if you like what you saw, you can like, comment, and subscribe. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram at VersastyleLA. And if you want to know more about me, you can follow me on Instagram at AnthonyBerry76. Peace.